Saudi Arabian murtabak.
One cup of maida all-purpose flour. Salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of oil. Take a mixing bowl and add maida. Add salt. Add oil. Combine well. Gradually add water and make soft dough. Dough is ready. 250 grams of boiled and shredded chicken. 3 eggs. 1 chopped onion and green chili. Half cup of chopped spring onion. 1 chopped tomato without seeds. Some chopped coriander leaves. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of syrup cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half cup of shredded cheese. Take a bowl and add shredded chicken. Add chopped onion and green chili. Add chopped tomato. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add chopped spring onion. Add salt. Add black pepper powder. Add syrup powder. Break eggs and add. Mix them well. Take small portion of dough and make dough balls. Dough balls are ready. Apply some flour and roll a thin chapati. Place some chicken mixture in center. Add 1 teaspoon of shredded cheese. Fold from sides. Murtabak is ready. Prepare remaining murtabak in same way. Heat pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Place it on oil and cook on low flame. Pour little oil from sides. Press gently and roast. Flip on other side and cook until crisp and golden brown. Crispy mutabak is done. Repeat the process to make remaining mutabak. Saudi Arabia street-style mutabak is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.